So many days is yet to come.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, welcome back. I've been threatening for the last 6 or 8 months to do something, and I think I'm finally ready to get started on it. Yesterday, Harbor Freight had a sale. I think Inside Track got 15% off of any item, and they've got a brand new item. As a matter of fact, I think I was the first one at my local store. If not the first one, I was one of the first ones to get it, and it's a stand for a lathe. I haven't opened it up yet. I'm fixing to tear into it, but just thought I would share this with you, because I'm going to get my knife and we'll get this cut open and get it, see about getting the wood lathe mounted on it. I've got a lot of work to do on it. The lathe itself has been sitting since we moved here a year ago, so the ways are all rusty, so I'm going to have to clean it all up. Wow, this is nice heavy duty powder coated steel. It's very heavy. I was watching Dana Tools the other night, Friday night, and he was talking about the President's Day sale and all the stuff on sale, and there was a picture of this, and he didn't even really touch on it too much, but still, I seen it, and it's just what I've been looking for. So
The darkness of the light. The darkness of the light.
all right, there's 1 foot down. Alright, there's one leg completely assembled. So this is about it, guys. It literally only took me 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so to put this thing all together. I've got 2 bolts here, and the frame itself will be together, and then I got to figure out how to get the lathe up on here without breaking my back. I think with the lathe on here, though, it's going to be right about the right height. I'll tell you guys, this thing is rock solid. That's pretty close right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly tighten this up. Whew. Okay, so I think I can take the leg that was on here and go up through this and use them for the feet. So alright guys, as you can see, I got it mounted on here, and as you can also see, this thing is in really bad shape. I'm almost embarrassed to let you see it like this. Just take and stone this a little bit and get some shop towels and get all this off of here. It'll be alright. It's just light surface rust. And I am using the light side of this stone. I don't want to hit it real heavy with the other side. Let me grab a... So I'll try to get this cleaned up and get some paste wax on it. Part of the problem with this resting was, alright, we have ice melt and it just draws water, and I had it sitting kind of in the vicinity of it, so it just kind of accelerated the rust, I think. But I mean, this is coming off. It looks worse than it is. I can run my finger over it and I don't feel it now. I mean, up here it probably, but I don't know if I'll ever get that all off, and I don't run my tool post that far anyway. Although the cool thing about this lathe is you can get an extension to go on this end here. I don't know if this is in the shot or not. Yeah, you can get an extension and extend that your turning length out by, I don't remember how much it'll add, but it's more than I really need. I mean, with this small diameter, I'm not going to run anything that long, that small diameter. Let me get my wax. I didn't realize I had steel wool in here, so we'll just do that. That'll get it nice and clean. Be protected. Alright, so this took, including cleaning it up and everything, probably took me 20 minutes to get it, this particular lathe mounted on. I'm just going to shoot this with a little bit of oil. Get this all cleaned up, but yeah, you just do that. I'll go ahead and get this spun all the way out here so I can oil it and bring it back in. Hope everybody's doing well. We will see you in the next video. If you haven't, if you're not subscribed, I'd ask that you consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything. Just let YouTube know that we've got content that others might like. If you want to see turning, like I said, that's where this is going. I just wanted to show you this new stand that I got at Harbor Freight. This thing is an absolute beast. This lathe weighs, I think that the description said it was 100 or 100 and a quarter, 125 pounds. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.